Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you guys two really easy and quick hairstyles which are perfect for longer hair. So if you have long hair, this two hairstyles might be for you. So if you guys want to know what those hairstyles are and how to make them, then keep on watching. First hairstyle, gather all of your hair into a side ponytail and tie it with a hair tie. Next, take a section of your hair out of the ponytail and wrap that section around the hair tie to conceal it. Make sure you are wrapping the section around the hair tie tightly so it won't loosen up. So after you finish wrapping, take your topsy tail and stick it through your ponytail. Then pass that section of hair through the head of the topsy tail and find the tail of the topsy tail and pull that section all the way through your ponytail. This way the hair tie is concealed. Now take the rest of the hair and split it into 3 equal sections and start by doing a regular 3-strand braid. So here we will be making a pancake braid but with a little bit of twist. So split the hair into 3 and start the braid. Continue the braid for a few inches, then stop. Next, take another hair tie and tie the braid right there. The braid won't stop there, just we are putting another hair tie to make the braid even more secured. After putting the hair tie, we will continue with the braid for again a few inches and then put another hair tie. So we will continue this until we reach the end of our hair. Now take the sides of the braid and pull them out like that to make the braid even more. So once the braid is complete, this is what it should look like. Remember to conceal the hair ties in between. You should have a giant fluffy pancake braid. And remember to pull out the sides of the braid to make it even more fluffier. For the second hairstyle, keep the first hair tie in place, concealed like that. Then a few inches below the first hair tie, place a second one. You should have a little bit of gap between those two hair ties. And next, pull out your hair from that gap between those two hair ties. Gently pull out hair from that section. So here we are making a bubble braid. Pull out hair from that section to make it look like a bubble or a balloon. You can make it as much big as you want to. And continue this step until you reach till the ends of your hair, and remember to conceal all the hair ties. So this is what the bubble braid should look like once it is complete. You will have a giant, big and fluffy braid. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. That was it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.